The state could soon find itself back in court over the ongoing construction of an airstrip inside Imenti Forest in Meru County. Petitioners and interested parties in a case challenging the project say coming Monday they will seek legal action, including filing contempt of court proceedings, arguing that construction activities have continued despite conservatory orders issued by the Environment and Land Court. The government has, however, defended the project, with officials maintaining that the airstrip will be ready to receive its first aircraft by Thursday. Now, this comes even as leaders in Meru insist that alternative and available land outside the forest could be used for the proposed airstrip, golf course and state lodge. NTV's Victor Ngaruya begins our broadcast tonight.
The government's proposed projects inside the Imenti Forest, including an airstrip, a golf course and a state lodge, continue to spark fierce debate, public outrage and an intensifying legal battle. This despite orders issued on June 10 by Justice Ogutu Mboya of the Environment and Land Court directing that the status quo be preserved and specifically restrain respondents from commencing or undertaking any activities that could lead to alienation, excision or wastage of the designated forest, pending further directions from the court. The petition was filed by judicial activist and human rights defender Francis Awino, who is challenging the legality of the plant developments within the forest.
Constitution is very clear, and what we are urging the government and asking the government, we are telling the government to follow the law and follow the Constitution. We support your project 100%, but do it in a proper way and in a safer place, but don't do it in the forest.
But even as the court orders remain in force, government machinery has been spotted at Kidoka section of the forest. Forestry Principal Secretary Gitonga Mugambi has since defended the project, insisting it is intended to unlock Meru's economic potential.
You cannot land in Meru because we don't have an airstrip. We have it in Embu, we have two in Nyere, like Kipia, name, but Meru you can't. On Thursday, God willing, we are landing the first plane in Meru.
The Meru County government is backing the project.
Wewe mwenye unasema state launch isijengwe Meru, hatukuji kujenga kwa shamba yako, tunajenga kwa shamba ya public, na public wamesema hiyo development project ikuja wapi? Meru.
However, former Meru Governor Peter Munya has taken a different position.
Na hata wewe si shamba yako, kwani ni yako? Wachana na msitu. Hata kuna wakati mwingine ilikatwa tukapiga kelele ikarundishwa.
His concerns are echoed by Kianjai Ward MCA, who says alternative public land exists outside the forest.
Tuna shamba kubwa la serikali ama shamba la wananchi pale Kianjai Ward, Tigania West, ambapo tunaweza kuwa na ikulu ndogo pale, tunaweza kuwa na uwanja wa ndege, na pale hakutakuwa na kukata miti.
The Green Belt Movement, an interested party in the case, argues that Imenti Forest remains a part of the larger Mount Kenya ecosystem, one of Kenya's critical water towers, and warns that continued encroachment could have far-reaching environmental consequences.
We'll be running back to court on Monday for contempt, because purely, and I want to remind these public servants, the same constitution that has put you into office is the same constitution that we are following and going to court. You are not above the law. You are not above the law. And the resources that you are actually holding, you are holding on behalf of the people.
The petitioner Francis Awino says the dispute is not just about opposing development. The case is scheduled for inter-parties hearing on June 29th. Victor Ngaruya, NTV.